Do you like designing and making? Come to Tech Camp and create your own laser tag system to bring home and play with friends. Customizing all aspects of it, from the look and feel of the laser tag units themselves to sound effects and gameplay. Even though you'll build it yourself, it's one of the most advanced laser tag systems available, and is another Tech Camp exclusive project that's not available anywhere else in the world. The system includes wireless controllers that can start and stop games, set parameters like the number of lives, the amount of ammunition available, and whether friendly fire is enabled. You can even use them as team bases in games of capture the flag and domination. You'll start by designing the laser tag units themselves using CAD software and then build them out of modeling foam. After that, you'll create the electronic circuitry that acts as the brains of the system, as well as the wireless controllers. You'll then find out how to hack the software to customize your game. You'll learn by modifying the sample code how to do basic C programming, changing reload and fire rates, sound effects, and the user interface. And of course, you'll take everything home, including 2 laser taggers and 2 control boxes, so you can both play and customize your laser tag experience after camp finishes. Laser tag is a perfect course for those who like a variety of experiences, including designing and making, soldering, coding, and high-paced gameplay. Book now to secure one of the limited places in the upcoming season.